Hey there, home cooks! Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm excited to share an easy and delicious recipe for no-bake energy balls with dates and cocoa. These are not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients. These little bites are perfect for a quick energy boost during your busy day. Whether you're at work, at school, or just need a pick-me-up, these energy balls have got you covered. Let's jump right into it. I promise this recipe is super simple and quick. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a few basic items that you might already have in your pantry. 1 cup of pitted dates. Dates are a fantastic natural sweetener and provide a chewy texture. Half a cup of rolled oats. Oats are great for adding fiber and making these energy balls more filling. 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. This gives our energy balls a rich chocolatey flavor without any added sugar. 1/4 cup of almond or peanut butter. This adds creaminess and healthy fats to keep you satisfied. 1/4 cup of chopped nuts. You can use any nuts you like. Almonds, walnuts, or pecans all work well. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This adds a lovely aroma and enhances the overall flavor. And a pinch of salt. Just a little bit to balance the sweetness and bring out the flavors. Optional extras can include shredded coconut, chia seeds, or chocolate chips. These can add extra texture and flavor. All right, let's start with the dates. They are the base of our recipe. If your dates feel hard or dry, soak them in warm water for about 10 minutes to soften them up. This makes them easier to blend. Once they're nice and plump, drain and pat them dry with a paper towel. This step is crucial for the right texture. Now grab your food processor or blender and toss in the dates. This is where the magic happens. Add the rolled oats, cocoa powder, almond or peanut butter, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. These ingredients will blend together beautifully. Blend everything until you get a sticky dough. This might take a minute or two. You might need to stop and scrape down the sides a couple of times. This ensures everything is well mixed. Next, we're adding our chopped nuts. These add a nice crunch to the energy balls. You can pulse the mixture a few times to distribute the nuts evenly, or mix them in by hand if you like a chunkier texture. It's all about personal preference. If the mixture feels too dry and crumbly, add a teaspoon of water or a bit more nut butter. This will help bind everything together. If it's too sticky, just sprinkle in a bit more oats. You want a consistency that's easy to work with. The goal here is a consistency that's easy to roll into balls. Time to roll. This is the fun part. Use your hands to scoop about a tablespoon of the mixture and roll it into a ball. It's like making little truffles. Keep going until you've used up all the mixture. You'll get into a rhythm. You should end up with about 12 to 15 energy balls. Perfect for a week's worth of snacks. For an extra flavor boost, you can roll the balls in shredded coconut, chia seeds, or even more cocoa powder. This adds a nice finishing touch. It's totally up to you. Get creative with your coatings. Now place your energy balls in an airtight container and pop them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to firm up. This helps them hold their shape. They can be stored in the fridge for up to a week or in the freezer for up to a month. Perfect for meal prep. And there you have it. Delicious homemade date and cocoa energy balls, ready to give you that perfect snack time energy boost. Enjoy every bite. Delicious homemade date and cocoa energy balls, ready to give you that perfect snack time energy boost. Enjoy! Share them with friends and family and watch them disappear. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more easy and tasty recipes. See you next time. Happy cooking!